Oh, okay. I think I'm onto something. Scream therapy. Yesterday I was driving down the expressway, just screaming, just like that. After about 3-4 hours of that, I felt great. It was unbelievable. So, anyways, the power of the mind. Boy, back on that subject again. It's quite amazing, the power of the mind. I had the van in the shop there, getting the tires balanced and rotated. And I noticed that there was a car there getting new wheels, aluminum wheels, and tires. And I was like, wow, those are some really nice wheels. And, the car wasn't much to look at. It was I think it was a Buick or something. And I noticed they had a little dent in the back left bumper. But, I really liked the wheels. I don't know what it was, but that was out in the bays there. And I went back into the sales area and walked over to the tire, and I was just kind of standing around. I looked down, and boom, there's the same darn rim again, which was kind of strange. And I was like, yeah, whatever. And so about a week later, I'm driving to work. Was it today? I think it was this morning. I get about a block from work there, and all of a sudden something catches my eye, and I look over, and there it's those damn wheels again. And there's the car. Same little dent in the back left bumper. And I'm like, what the heck? That is weird. Now, the tire place was, I don't know, 3, 4, or 5 miles away. It's quite a distance away. And I just find it interesting. I guess I drive by this car all the time. Never noticed it before. But now these wheels caught my eye. And I don't know. Could be a bunch of BS. But stuff like that happens and you go, things that make you go, But, maybe that's a bad example. Maybe, like you get a new car. Let's say you get a new red truck. And, you're all excited about it. And before you know it, you're seeing red trucks, the same exact red truck all over the place. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, everyone's got them now. Well, they've always been there. It's just now your brain is focused in, it's dialed in to the new red truck. And like with these dollars, I've been giving these dollars away, and so I've been kind of focused on dollars lately. And today I'm in the truck, and I'm like, you can tell I spent a lot of time in the truck. But that and the can, I don't know what the. Anyways, got lots of paperwork to do in the can. I always have the paperwork to do. You're never done. You're never finished with a job until the paperwork's done. But anyways, so these dollars, I've never had so many dollars before in my life. There's something hurting my butt, and I reach back and it's my wallet, and I pull it out. Look at this thing. It's just chock full of dollar bills. Look at them all. I mean, I think there's like $30 bills, and I've never had singles like that before in my life. Not in my wallet, anyways. So I'm like, what is this all about? Maybe I need to start giving out hundreds. Is this the result I'm going to have? So, anyways, it's just food for thought. Take it for what it is. It is day 19. Here's my dollar. And I'm here in the city getting ready to pay my water bill. And I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to hide a dollar. So, let's get it on! Like Donkey Kong! Okay, here we go. Get my wallet. Oh, I need to be more prepared. Okay, here we go. Keys, wallet, lock. Okay, here we go. Gotta hurry. Another cold, rainy day. A lot of people out here for a rainy day. Oh. Got my lens all wet. Thank you, sir. Okay. There it is. Another day, another dollar. Oh. Damn, I got stuck. Open door. Open door. Anyways, day 20, another day, another dollar. What?